If you have a house in Orient, Ohio, and you want to sell, but you want it to be fast, easy, convenient, and especially get a fair price on your Orient, Ohio house, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Orient. And here's the biggest thing. The reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it very easy for you because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't have to fix anything. You don't have to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. No trips to the Home Depot, no trips to Ace Hardware or Lowe's, no formal inspections, appraisals. That's what you get when you work with more of a traditional buyer. And these traditional buyers, nothing against them, but if they're using a bank mortgage lender, they're going to be required to get formal inspections, formal appraisals, and what that is for you is just hoops that you need to jump through. With us, we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition, and what allows us to buy the house as is we're going to pay cash for the property. So what that means is, yes, number one, we'll pay a fair price. We're going to close when you want to, but we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. But the closing date, the control is left with you. So here's the biggest thing. With a traditional buyer, you have to wait for their lender's approval before you can close. With us, we're going to buy the house as is, and we can close when you want to. So if you want to close quickly, we can do it. Or if you need something done more flexible, you got to set a target date. Maybe you're kind of waiting on your new place to be ready. Whatever the case may be, you let us know so we can accommodate your needs. It really is the easiest and most convenient way, and we're going to give you a fair price as well because we're local. I can't stress this enough. We're not a call center, right? I get the same text messages on my phone here, right? And these are the text messages. People say, I want to buy your house fast for cash. Have you ever called one of those numbers back? There is no way they're in Orient, Ohio. There is no way they even know where. They might be in the Orient. They might be in another country, right? I'm not kidding, right? We're not a marketing agency. We're a local, fair home buyer with hundreds of reviews and credibility. We're proud of what we do. So we're not going to waste your time at the end of the day. If you have a house in Orient, contact us today for a no obligation offer. Our number here is 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And I can't stress that enough. When we get on the phone, easy conversation. It's me and you here. There is no script. There's no gimmicks or no, pressure. We're not trying to force you into sign something here. And it's not a used car dealership. It is two neighbors talking and seeing what we can do. We just need to know more information about the house and then know more information on when you're looking to sell so we can accommodate your needs. No time wasted. No crime, no foul. We'll make you a fair cash offer. If the offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If the offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can still be friends. So if you have a house in Orient and you are looking to sell, call us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.